What's good, y'all? It's your boy, Mr. 201, and I am back with another video. I know I say that every single time, but for real, this time, I'm staying consistent. I got a new camera. Right now, we're recording on the DJI Osmo Pocket 3, and it's literally the perfect camera for me. I've been taking it everywhere for the last week since I've had it, and I have a whole bunch of content on the way for y'all. So, I decided to pop it back off with a nature walk. So today, it's a little cloudy outside, a little gloomy outside, so we're going to be going on a nature walk, and I'm shooting on my Canon AE1. Perfect 35 millimeter camera for me. I love it. The quality of the pictures are amazing. This is what we're working with today. And I decided that I'm going to shoot black and white today. It's gloomy. It's gray outside, so I want to play around with the grays, the contrast, all of that in the black and white. So today we're going to be shooting on Ilford XP2 400 speed black and white film. But yeah, I'm excited. Videos every single week, y'all. Every Sunday I'm dropping a video, so y'all hold that to me. Y'all hold me to that. If I don't drop I need y'all in the comments on me asking where the video's at, all of that. But yeah, without further ado, my Canon AE1, my Ilford. Let's get into the video. Alright, y'all, so we made it to the trail. I got Lonnie here with me behind the scenes today, helping me with the camera, getting some of the shots. She's kind of here against her will. She's making it seem like, but we finna get these shots. Got the AE1 with me, my baby, the Ilford. Got my Duke sweatshirt on, black beanie. Yeah, walking to the trail. It's a beautiful day out here. Literally looks amazing. Nobody else out here. Oh, except for that one person. Got me. And yeah, we're finna walk to the trail. To the lake. All right, get ready to start this walk. Y'all enjoy this B-roll, this montage, as we take this 2-mile walk to the lake. All right, we'll be back. All right, so we walk like a mile now, and Lonnie needed to take a snack break. So as we sit on this, what would this one be, granite?
Yeah.
But yeah, eat your oranges, eat your fruit. Ready? All right, you gotta get up. Going that way. 3, 2, 1. made it to the destination. Made it all the way to the lake. I think it was like a 1.5 miles, maybe 2 mile walk, but we made it. Lonnie is all the way back there. Yeah, so we're losing, but you know. All right, the part that we've all been waiting for, get it ready to load up the film and start taking pictures. So like I told y'all already, today we're shooting on this beautiful, beautiful, beautiful Canon AE1. Shout out Ilford once again on the XP2 400. Beautiful film stock. I use this literally all the time. It's amazing. All right, so we got the film here. Let's load her up. This is my first time actually shooting on Ilford XP2 on 35. I usually use my Pentax and shoot it in studio. This is my first time shooting it on 35 and my first time shooting it outside of the studio. So we're gonna see just how good it looks. All right, due to those terrible bloopers of me trying to load the film, we're gonna do it over. As I was saying, I have not shot this Ilford XP2 400 on 35 or have I shot it outside before. So this is definitely something very new for me. So we're just gonna pull this over. Y'all know how it goes. Get her in there. Didn't catch. Let's get it in there. There we go, she caught. Got another one. Another one. There we go. Just lock her in. I'm gonna shoot till I get to the 0. One more. Perfect. Let's do it. All right, y'all, so we had the film loaded, locked and loaded, and the very first shot that I think I want to get is right here. Let's set it up and see how it looks. All right, y'all, so the first shot that I'm gonna get today, like I said, is gonna be this little awning right here. I love the rocks over the top of it. I think it'll make for a beautiful shot. So it's a little bit overcast today, not too much sun out here, so I know exposure, it's gonna be a little bit overexposed. The lens that I'm shooting with, this 50 mil on the AE1, all the way down to a 1.8. So I'm gonna set my shutter to a 125, see how that looks. And I'm gonna take my aperture to a 5.6. So I'm gonna back up just a little bit so I can get all of this in shot in the frame. We're gonna take it right here, get it in focus. 3, 2, 1. Perfect. First shot of the day. So we got this first shot out of the way. This next shot I want to get is this tree right here, laying right here. Y'all follow me this way. So this tree looks completely dead, as you can see, falling. I think it's going to be a beautiful picture though, black and white. So yeah, I'm gonna keep the same settings for right now just to see how it looks with that shutter at 125 and 5.6 on the aperture. And let's see how it looks. That's perfect. Let's get her in focus. Right there. 3, 2, 1. Perfect. Perfect, perfect, perfect. And this is really just somewhere I come to relax, chill, just get a break from everything, you know. Real nice out here, nature trail. Which way should we go first? Over there by the waterfall or over there by, well, yeah, she's over there. Let's do the waterfall. Okay. All right, so we're gonna walk towards the waterfall now. Get some shots over there. Literally beautiful over here. All right, so we're at the waterfall. As y'all can hear, it sounds beautiful. And now I'm literally just gonna get a picture of the waterfall with this tree going through the middle. See how it looks. All right, so this waterfall shot looks absolutely amazing. I'm gonna get one more shot. I think I wanna go a little bit wider just so I could get some more of the fall and the trees surrounding it. And yeah, let's see how this looks. Back up just a little bit. Recenter this. That's perfect. As y'all can see, we have a little bit of light coming in from the side too. The sun is literally beaming on the water perfectly. It's not gonna matter, it's black and white, but still. Let's get this shot. Three, two, one. Perfect. So as we come downstream a little bit more, you guys can see the water flowing. It's just all settling in that little pond down there. So the shot that I want to get is the water flowing with both of the bodies of water at the bottom down there visible. So I'm gonna come down just a little bit more so I can have everything in frame. Let's get that shot. Got it focused. Let's get it. 3, 2, 1. Perfect. Perfect, perfect, perfect. I'm gonna come down just a little bit further and get a shot of the water flowing just a little bit more. I'm gonna focus more on the water on this shot. Three, 2, 1. Beautiful. Beautiful, beautiful. Let's get Lonnie right here behind the scenes. Shout out Lonnie. 3, 2, 1. Perfect. All right. I'm really liking the way these leaves look. Got a tiny spider right there. I'm not sure if y'all can see it. But let's get that. We're gonna get that real quick. So moving from over here, let's walk to the other side of the lake. We're doing pretty good on timing with light too. Sun doesn't set for like another hour, so I'm gonna get a few more shots for you guys. And these trees look absolutely crazy shooting up like this. So I'm gonna get a shot of the trees. See how this looks. So we got everything in frame. 3, 2, 1. Fire. All right, so we're walking further into the trail. It's a shot that I've literally always wanted to get and never got out here. A little further down. So we're gonna get that shot overlooking the lake, but it's a no swimming sign over here that is just super fire to me. I don't know why, but yeah, we're gonna get that picture. Actually gonna come out here and shoot a campaign really soon with this specific shot. So we're testing for it today. Here's the shot that I was talking about. Let's get it. Definitely got to get this. And this sun peeking through the trees right here, absolutely beautiful. So I'm gonna set up my 2 shots. We're gonna start with the sun peeking through the trees right here. And then we're gonna bring it over to this no swimming, no homemade boats allowed in the lake. And then we're gonna come to this 3rd shot right here, overlooking the lake. And then one looking directly down into the lake right here. And then we'll move over here to one of my other favorite spots. All right, so of course, I'm gonna turn my aperture all the way up to its highest on here with that sun peeking through like that. So I'm gonna focus on this main branch right here so we're not getting too much of a light leak. Right here, there we go. 3, 2, 1, fire. Let's get one more. 3, 2, 1, beautiful. So now we're gonna get this sign right here that I was telling y'all about. That's gas, that's perfect. All right, so we're gonna shoot at about a 5.6 for this one. Perfect, 3, 2, 1, beautiful. Three, 2, 1. All right. So now we're gonna come out onto the lake. And we gotta get this shot right here, looking out over the whole lake. Get it in focus. Three, 2, 1. That's beautiful. Let's take one looking this way as well. Three, 2, 1. Perfect. All right, y'all, so I got my final shots out here out on the lake. Everything looks beautiful. Like I said, this is my first video back, getting back comfortable in front of the camera, getting back comfortable talking to you guys, but everything, it was pretty fun. I'm excited to go on this journey. Like I said, every national park in the country, I'm doing it. National Park Tour on film. We'll get ready to get to it. Appreciate y'all tuning in. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, and let me know what else you guys want to see on film. Let me know what else you guys want to see me shoot, record, all of that. Appreciate you guys. Let's do it.